today I'm going to be doing some multiplication. If you like the rumble of engines and the sound of a pen, I hope you'll join me in doing some basic maths. We're going to be doing our tables from 1 through to 10. Always fun. First things first. 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. And 4 times 1 equals 4. 5 times 1 equals 5. 6 times 1 equals 6. 7 times 1 equals 7. 8 times 1 equals 8. 9 times 1 equals 9. 10 times 1 equals 10. Now on to the 2 times tables. 1 times 2. Well, we already know that one. That's 2. 2 times 2. Well, that one, nice and simple, is 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. And 2 times 10 equals 20. Oh, it's so noisy this. I do apologize. But I figured something was better than nothing. Now we're on to our 3 times tables. 3 times 1, we know that from before, is 3. 3 times 2, we also know that from before, equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals, oh my, what's that? 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. And 3 times 6 will equal 18. 3 times 7 will equal 21. And 3 times 8, well, that will equal 24. Three times 9, well, that is going to equal 27. And 3 times 10 will equal 30. Next, we're on to our 4 times tables. 4 times 1 equals, well, we know that, 4. 4 times 2, we also know that, equals 8. 4 times 3, oh, well, we know that too. That equals, let's go back to our list. 4 times 3, 4 times 3, not 8, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Next up, 4 times 4. Oh, a lovely square. Well, what does that equal? 4 times 4. That equals, well, let's think. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's 3, that's 12. Add another 4, that's 16. Then the next one, 4 times 5. Oh, well, that's simple, that's 20. Halfway between 40 and 0. Next, we will have a truck passing by. 4 times 6 equals 24. 5. No. 4 times 7 equals 28. Then 4 times 8 equals 32. And 4 times 9 equals 36. I do believe. Yes, 36. And 4 times 10 equals 40. Next up, we have our 5 times tables. 5 times 1. Well, what does that equal? That equals 5. 5 times 2. Well, that equals 10. 5 times 3. Well, that equals 15. 5 times 4. Well, that equals 20. We already know that. 5 times 5. Add a 5 to get 25. 5 times 6. Half of 60. Well, that's 30. 5 times 7. Well, now, that's going to be 35. 5 times 8. Half of 80 is 40. 5 times 9. Well, that's nice and simple. That one's going to be 45. 5 times 10 is 50. What's next? That would be 6 times tables. 6 times 1. Well, now, that's 6. 6 times 2. Well, that's 12. 6 times 3. Well, that's 18. We know that one. 6 times 4. Oh, now what's that? Let's go back to our list. That's 24. Gets easier the more you do. Then from there, we have another truck. And 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 will be 36. 6 times 7, that will be 42. And 6 times 8, well now, that's gonna be what? Oh my, not 50, is it? Have I made an error somewhere? Let's have a look. 6, then 12, then 18, then 24, then 30, then 36, then 42, then 48. See, these errors are just so easy to combine. Now, the next one is 6 times 9. What's that gonna be? That will be, oh my, 50, yeah, 54. Fascinating numbers. And 6 times 10, well, I hope you can follow along. That's going to be 60. Next up, 7 times tables. Ooh. 7 times 1. Well now, that's a motorbike. Equals 7. 7 times 2. Well, that equals 14. 7 times 3. Now that equals 21. 7 times 4. Well, that will equal, well, what will it equal? Let's go back to our list. 4 times tables. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. It will equal 28 is 7 times 4. Now, 7 times 5 will give us 35. 7 times 6 will give us 42. 7 times 7 will give us 49. 7 times 8 will give us, well, what will it give us? 50? Yeah, 56, I do believe. And a good way to check is to start at 70 and then minus off the 2 multiples left, so 70 minus 14 gives you 56, so you know it's correct. 7 times 9, that will be 7 of 70. What will that be? Oh my, 63. the next one. 7 times 10 equals 70. Now we're on our 8 times tables. 8 times 10, no, 1 equals 8. And by 2 is 16. By 3, that's 24. Now, 8 by 4, that will be 32. 8 by 5 will give us 45, hopefully. No, 40. Oh, yes it will. 8 by 6. What will that give us? I think that will be 48. 8 by 7 will equal 50. Yeah. 50 what? 48 plus 8. That should tell us 56. And what of 8 by 8? That is a good question to ponder. I do wonder. 8 by 8. That's probably going to be 60. 4. And then 8 by 9. Well, that will of course be 72, I do believe. And then 8 by 10 give us 18. We're almost done. Now we will do 9 by 1 equals 9. See if you can guess it before I get it. You'll be quicker than me, I'm sure. 9 by 2 is 18. 9 by 3. Oh my, what's that? Well, that would have to be 20. 7. 9 by 4 is 36. 9 by 5. What's that? Well, that will have to be half of 90, so 45. Next, we have 9 by 6, 54. By 7, 63. 9 by 8, 72. 9 by 9, Well, that will equal 81. 9 by 10. That is 90. And the next one, well, I hope you can figure it out. But let's start reading the last numbers off and see if they match up in your head. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Sorry for the noise, but I hope you found it restful all the same.